Hello students, today we are going to start Standard 7th Subject Maths Practice Set 24. Question: write the following rational numbers in decimal form. That means the rational number is given to you and you have to write in the decimal form. So what you will do students, you will divide and check it. So in this what you have to remember, the denominator you have to write in the divisor compulsory, and as you know the numerator we write in the dividend. So same way you will divide and check students, like 4 3s are 12, 13 doesn't come, so that's why I have taken 12. So I have minus, so we get 1, 3 minus 2 1, and this 1 minus 1 0. So now point here and 0 you have already solved in the lower classes. So now this become 10. Now in 4 table again the 12 doesn't come. So what you will do, you will take the smaller number, like 4 2s are 8. Now 10 minus 8, this will give you 2. As you can see here, 0 and 10. So 10 minus 8, 2. Again I will add 0 here. Now 20 comes in 4 table, like 4 5s are 20. Now the remainder has become 0. This is the final answer we get in the decimal form. So you can write here 13 upon 4, 3 upon 2 5. Same way minus 7 upon 8. Now here the 8 is bigger, but then also you have to write in divisor only, 8 and 7. Now in 8 table 7 doesn't come, so 8 zeros are 0 you will take, this will become 7. Now 7 doesn't come, so you will add point here and 0 here, this becomes 70. Now in 8 table 70 doesn't come, so you will take 8 8s are 64. 70 minus 64, 6 you will get, and 0 again I have added. Now in 8 table 60 doesn't come, so 8 7s are 56 we have taken. So 60 minus 56 you get 4. Again I have added 0. Now 40 comes. How much are? 8 5s are 40. Now the 0 has become, so that means you will write this here, minus 7 upon 8. So this minus sign you will write here in the answer, minus 0 upon 875. See the third one. In here they have given you the mixed fraction. So first we will make the normal rational number, like 5 7s are and plus 3 and denominator 5. 5 7s are 35 plus 3 38 upon 5. So we will divide this one. 5 divided by 38, so you will get 7 upon 6. So here I have written 7 upon 6 in decimal form. Same way the fourth one, 12 upon 5. As you can see here, 12 upon 5 I have taken. So in 12 table 5 doesn't come, so 12 zeros are 0, 5 here as it is, and point 0. Now 12 4s are 48, minus 50 minus 48, 2, and again I will add 0, 20. 20 doesn't come, so again I will take 12 1s are 12. 20 minus 12 we will get 8 students, you can minus and check it, 8. Again I will add 0 here, it becomes 80. Now 80 also doesn't come, so I will take 12 6 are 72. 80 minus 72, 8. Again 80, that means the 8 will be repeat and repeat, so that means it is recurring. So how you will write here, 5 upon 12 is equal to 0.416, and here you can give the recurring sign like bar, this way. That means 666 is repeating, or you can write this dot dot also. Same way this fifth one, 22 upon 7, you have to divide and check. So same way you will get the answer, the repetition, as I have written here, 1 4 2 8 5 7. This will repeat again and again. You can check, and students you can check and see. The sixth one, 4 upon 3. So again you will check, this is also recurring. So 1.33 recurring sign I have given to this answer. See the seventh one, 7 upon 9. So again I have done it. So this 0.7, again this is recurring, so 7 I have done it. So in this way you have to see the practice set 24. Thank you students.